Are you a YouTube junkie? Well, if you are, you'll know all about Mr. Beast. He's one of the most famous YouTubers ever. And he's got a pretty beastie sort of logo. Looks like a cougar head with a lightning bolt coming out of the eye. Let's draw it today and make it look fierce and beastie. You'll need blue and a little pinky purple magenta and your dark colors as well to get the outline. Here we go, Mr. Beast. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.